way to use GoMath resources in conjunction with Canvas is to deliver paper copies of the assignments to students using Canvas. You would go to Assignments and click Assignment, create the name of the assignment, and I am using a worksheet from GoMath. So adding integers with the same sign, and I might just call that GoMath 1-1, adding integers with the same sign. And what you would do here is you type your instructions. So you just add the file, go here to Files, upload a new file, choose the file, find it on your computer, or drag and drop, and there's mine on my computer. And then click Upload. You can also put these in your Google Drive and just put a shareable link here. Determine the number of points that you're going to give students. I like to do these by proficiency, so my assignments are always worth 4 points. The assignment group is up to you to decide if you want to do a new group, display as points. And then here on submission, I'm going to have them do an online submission. And I'm going to have them do a file upload. So assign it to everyone, and then you can save that. One of the resources that students can use, if they don't have the ability to print at home, they can actually use a markup feature in something like Kami. And what this does it actually gives them tools where they can use their computer to write on the worksheets. So I'm going to open this from the computer. Here it is. And what students will do is they can select the drawing tool. They can also use a text box. So anything, either of these work. Drawing tool, how many counters are there? 5 plus 3 is 8. Do the counters represent positive or negative integers? This is where the typing might come in more handy. -5 plus -3 is -8. I'm going to get my eraser here, get rid of all of that, and use a text box on that. And I would just say negative. When they're done, they can save that as a download. And it will save their work that they can then upload to Canvas. So once the assignment is created on Canvas, there will be the option for them to upload the file there and complete their work. You may want to include a link to Kami or any other PDF markers. So again, this is just a simple way to deliver GoMath assignment worksheets. When you assign it, you can assign it just to the students who need it. So for example, the students who are not doing well with the online versions, if they're not completing the student interactive lessons, you can assign this to just those students or students who need extra practice, whatever you need.